Hello learners. So pattern number 12. In pattern number 12 card, if user give input 4, then print similarly here 0, 1, 1 and 2, 3, 5 and 8, and after this 13, and after this 21, and after this 34. Here see, first see triangular. For triangular I have already more than 2-3 programs in triangular printing. Okay, so very simple. And these 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, here is its previous two value, add 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3, 8. So this is basically Fibonacci series, or in Fibonacci series I have already one program done in Fibonacci series. So it is very simple program. So we write code here. In this simple we need two value, int a equal to 0 and int b initialize with 1. Okay, then simply we use for loop, int I equal to 0 and I is less than equal to n and I plus plus. Here be for system dot out dot print, this is used for next line. Okay, print line. And after this we use other for loop. Here initialize value j initialize with here initialize with I is 1 and j initialize with also 1, and here j is for triangular. So first iteration it run one time and second iteration 2 times. So basically it depend on I. Okay, so here j is less than equal to I and j plus plus. So here finally here print system dot out dot print, here print value of a. Okay, a is 0, first print 0 and here 1 space, and after this we build Fibonacci series. Here one other variable take int c is equal to here a plus b. Okay, and here also in b load value of b in a and b load value of c. Okay, and then close this for loop, and after close this for loop, and after close our main, and after close our class. Okay, so this run this code for this type of pattern. So here run this code. If for example value take 4, so how to print? We run here. Okay, first initialize two values and for loop is run. I is equal to 1 and less than equal to 4. Yes, condition satisfy. Here okay, condition satisfy. So here int j equal to 1 less than equal to I is 1, I is 1 and system dot out dot print a. Here print a value is 0. Okay, here print 0 and say equal to a plus b. So a plus b 0 and 1, here 1, and here a in a load b value is 1, in b load c value is 1. Okay, after this again here j plus plus 1 2 condition not satisfy. Then this loop, in this loop here I plus plus, here 2 condition satisfy. J equal to 1, yes, less than equal to I equal to 2, yes. Here print value of c value, what is c value? C value value of a value is 1. So here print 1 in next line, and after this here in c a plus b. So in c a plus b 1 1 2, and here in a load value of b, in a load value of b is 1 also, and in b load value of c is 2. Cut these twos, and after this again here run one time again 2 less than condition is satisfied. So here print a value is 1, here again print 1, and after this a plus b 2 1 3, here 3, and in a load value of b is 2, here load 2, and in b load value of c is 3, here 3, cut these values, and after this here j plus plus 3 condition not satisfied, and then after this here I plus plus here 3 condition is satisfied. In this enter this loop, and here 1 is less than equal to I value is 3, is 3 time hot print 3 time add a plus b. So first print a, in this time print value is 2, and after this a plus b. So in the same way, if print is this, so is print this is same as 3 5 8 13 21 and 34. Okay, so we get this Fibonacci series. Okay, so I hope understand everyone this program. Okay, value is same value take n equal to 4. Okay, so here 4 take value here in slice value, and here I is equal to 1. So here I equal to 1 less than equal to value of n is 4. Okay, condition satisfied, enter this loop, and this loop j is equal to 1 and less than equal to 1 condition is satisfied, print a value is 0. Okay, so here print 0. After this in say a plus b 0 plus 1 is 1, and in a is load value of b, so b value is 1, and in b load value of c, value of c is 1. Okay, so here 1, and cut these values. Then after this again j plus plus, so j plus plus 2 less than equal to 1 condition is not satisfied, so I am enter this loop again, and I plus plus, so here is I value is 2 is less than equal to 4. Yes, great, condition satisfied, so enter this loop, j equal to 1 less than equal to 2. Okay, so condition is satisfied, so here print again a value of a is 1, here print 1, and again a plus b is value of c, so a plus b 1 plus 1 is 2, and after this a equal to b so here b value is 1, so here again 1, and here c value is 2, and b load here load 2. Okay, after this again here I plus plus, so I value is j 2 less than equal to 2. Yes, condition satisfied, print a value is also here 1, so print here 1. Okay, and after this here is 3 is not condition satisfied, 3 is not less than equal to 2. Then again here I plus plus I value is 3. Okay, in 3 this loop is print 3 time first time print here value of a, and in this time value of a is improved, here a again then a 1 plus 2 here 3, and here also here value of b is 2, and here value of c is 3. Okay, then again print a, so print a here is 2. Okay, after this run this a plus b 3 or to 5, here value is 5, and a value load b, so here load 3, and here load b value is 5, c value is 5, here load 5. Again here 2 condition is satisfied, so here print value of a is in this time 3, and after this again this improve, here a plus b is 8, and here a value is print b, here 5, and here 8. So again this loop is here j plus plus 3 less than equal to 3. Yes, so print value of a is 5. In this time again here is 4, the condition is not satisfied, here for 4 is run 4 times j, and value is increase a plus b, so here a value is this value, b value is this value, so here print 8, here this a, here this value is b, this value is a, so 8 5, here 13, and here 21, and here 34, and after this again I value is 4, 5 is condition not satisfied, then this is loop out, and here I plus plus, then here is 5 less than equal to 4 is not satisfied, then also this loop jump from this loop, condition not satisfied. Okay, so I think understand everyone, these print same value here using this program. I think understand everyone. Okay, thank you so much.